Well, my sickness with Scout started in 1987. I bought a diesel Scout in Arizona and liked it real well, and I found out that there was actually a group of people that like these and go and do events and things like that, and started doing that for a few years. And then when this one became available, it just seemed to make a lot of sense to try to buy it and preserve it and restore it. So that's basically the long and short of it. Well, the restoration started in 2015 and it finally got done in 2020, and what you see here is the result of the restoration. It turned out really well. This Scout went to a member of the board of directors originally for International Harvester, and she sat on the board. Her name was Mary Garst. Some of the people in farm country might have heard of Garst hybrids and Garst seed corn. She ordered this Scout, and this Scout was in the process of being built, and when the people at the line figured out that they were building a Scout for a member of the board of directors, I don't know who made the decision, but the decision was made to run it down the line last. So it ran down the line last, even though it's not the highest serial number Scout. It ran down the line last. And then from Fort Wayne, from here at Fort Wayne right across the street, they shipped it to Melrose Park. And at Melrose Park they added the graphics that you see here. They added the winch bumper, there was fog lights on there. They tinted the windows, and they put a rear window defogger on there. So we tried to get it back as much as original as possible, including this artwork that was done so well back in the day. And we found a gentleman that does this kind of work, and he put this on and copied the original, and so everything you see on there is an absolute copy of the original. So that's kind of where we are, and I don't know, I'm looking forward. I don't really know if I'm going to keep it myself or see that it gets to a museum or what we'll do with it, but right now it runs, it drives, it can do about anything, but it probably should be preserved somewhere. But for the present time, we're just kind of enjoying it ourselves and taking it to shows and letting people see it. So that's about the size of it.